You can customize your Chromebook experience by adding apps and extensions. Extensions and apps are specific to the user and must be added by each student. Access Chromebook apps by clicking on the circle in the bottom left-hand corner. Chromebook apps are specific to one website and act similarly to a bookmark on a Chromebook. Chromebook extensions change how the Chrome browser works across all websites. Add apps and extensions by going to the Chrome Web Store. Click for Gwinnett County Public Schools to locate available apps and extensions. Apps and extensions that have already been added will have a green ribbon over the icon. Once an extension has been added, click the puzzle piece to see available extensions. Pinning extensions allows quick access to frequently used extensions. Click Manage Extensions to turn off or remove unwanted extensions. Be aware that if a large number of apps and extensions are added, your device may run slower. When needed, click the icon or puzzle piece to use an extension.